Hi, welcome to the another episode of TypeScript Zero to Hero series. In this video, we are going to talk about switch statement in TypeScript. In switch statement, it is oftenly used as a more readable alternative for uh, if, else if, and else statements, especially when we dealing with multiple set of possible values. We are using this switch statement. So let's see how it works. Okay, statement. First, I'm gonna create a variable using let called role, and I'm assigning the role as a editor. Then I'm switching the condition using this switch statement. Switch, open brackets, and I can pass the role here and open and close curly bracket. Case. Case means if role is admin, I can say you have full access. Then I need to break that option. Else, if the role is an editor, you can edit the content. If your role is a viewer, you can view the content by default. By default, it means by default, you don't have proper access for that. So when I execute this via app.ts, see, I have assigned its role as a editor, and it switched to that editor case and trigger out whatever the implementation inside that editor case and break that switch case. So if I change into that kind of wording, it means this case is not listed in this switch statement. So then it gives us the role not recognized. It means if the role does not match with the cases given in the list, it returns the default value of that switch case. So that's how the switch case is working with TypeScript. That's it. So in next video, we are going to talk about for loops. See you in there.